Hello, guys. Good morning. My name is Vinay, and I am working as a project manager, delivery manager in the Gulf region. I've been in this domain since more than 12, 13 years. Um, I had a lot of interest in managing things since the start of my career, and in 2017 I started taking things very seriously. I thought about pursuing a career in project management. That's when I researched and I came to know that PMP is the highest credential that a project manager can have, and it is also very beneficial if you want to pursue a career in project management, delivery management, and want to, even if you plan to climb even higher ladders in your life. PMP is the foremost, and it's the most important thing that one can do. So uh, ProThoughts, I remember I joined in 2018, and the batch that I joined, I was the first guy who cracked in my batch. I was the first guy who cracked PMP. I think within 60 days, within I think 40 to 50 days something, and I could do that just because of the support and the confidence I had after undergoing the training at ProThoughts. They have a lot of professional trainers who will guide you, who will support you. Even the admin team is very nice. They are always helpful in setting up the procedures related to exam, seat booking, or anything related. If your account is selected for audit or something like that, they'll help you throughout the process and ensure that they are with you till the time your certificate is in your hands. So trust me, guys, it's a very very special feeling when you pass PMP exam, and and you actually get the worth of what you have done, the efforts that you have put over 2 3 months. And then once you do PMP, there's no looking back. So I think just gear up, focus, and I would motivate each and everyone who is thinking about doing PMP. And I would recommend ProThoughts as a partner for you to guide and achieve your dreams. All the best, and I hope you get your PMP certification done as soon as possible. Thank you, guys.